Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Do you ever find yourself wishing you could go back and play an older version of Clash of Clans? There's a real charm to those early days, isn't there? Many of us remember the unique feel before all the big updates changed the gameplay. It's really about reliving that special kind of nostalgia, seeing the old units, and experiencing the game as it once was, which is a big part of the appeal for so many players. You might be wondering, why can't I just download an old app? Well, the official game servers, the ones hosted by Supercell, always run the very latest version of Clash of Clans. This means even if you found an old app file, it simply would not be able to connect and play. The game is constantly updated, so directly accessing older builds through official channels just is not possible. So, how do you get back to those classic versions? The answer lies with something called private servers. These are community-run servers, completely independent of Supercell. They essentially create their own environment for the game, and many of them host specific older versions, allowing players to connect and relive those cherished memories. To find these private servers, your best bet is to search online. Try terms like Clash of Clans private server along with the specific version year you are looking for. Always prioritize reputable communities or dedicated forums that host these kinds of projects. Just remember, it is really important to be cautious and only download files from sources you absolutely trust to keep your devices safe. Using private servers truly opens up a unique pathway to experiencing Clash of Clans' rich history. You can dive back into those familiar layouts, try out the old units, and enjoy the mechanics just as they were. It is an absolutely fantastic way to rekindle that original love for the game and immerse yourself in the nostalgia. Have fun reliving those classic moments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.